are making takoyaki.
And we are now putting oil.
This is Kokone. Hello. She is 11 years old.
Yeah,
She's 11. Wow. Okay. And Aiza is putting some oil. Next, we are going to put the, what's that? The flour. You mix it first.
Takoyaki.
Yes, the flour
And water.
and water and egg. Yes, and she's going to pour it over. Not so puno is okay.
Okay.
So first, not so much yet. You can just spread it around. Second batch will be me.
Third batch. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh.
We can just put something a little over there.
At first, long onions.
So we have to pour the onions now. Yes. Next, a lot of onions. And then next, they are putting some octopus. And then
Or sausage.
some sausage. And Kokone has cheese. Everybody likes cheese.
We can eat, make it little.
And Ukasan is making makizushi. Aiza, yaritai, no? There. Aiza, there. Makizushi. Yay. And then pour some, I don't know, how do you call that? Coconut. Tenkasu. Tenkasu. I go there.
When I will make tempura and rest of tempura.
Bread of flour.
Crumb, yeah.
Like udon? You
Crumbs.
put in udon?
Yeah.
The crumbs.
So that one with flavor.
So we are mixing them now. And we will put some of these ginger something. Ginger
Pickled
something.
ginger.
Yes, pickled ginger. The sour one, that's paste. And we are silent now. We don't know what to say. Our cooking master is busy with her makizushi, but Aiza, you cannot be seen in the video. You should take another video for that.
Who's the other phone?
Maybe it's enough. Okay. And then Idol is pouring now. It's okay to overflow because we are going to turn it around. Turn it over. No.
Okay, anything else?
Wow! Oh, yummy!
Okay.
Yes, arigato. This is
Which is so.
Thank you.
Cucumber and umetace.
Yummy.
Ramen.
Umetace is yummy.
So,
You can eat the takoyaki. So this is the cooked one. This is going to be cooked. And our master chef. And they are eating. And Isa is going to make makizushi. Wow, Isa is very skillful. Looks like original Japanese cook.
Yeah.
Time to flip. Oh no, this is my favorite. Flip time. Flip. Maruku shite. Hello? Okay. Coco-chan, okay. どうする? Coco-chan. Guja-guja, watashi. Ay, where's the video? The video is here. Busy with the... Maybe can't be seen, can't be on Facebook. I'll just put it in the computer, ha? And you can just view it over. Yeah, we look very serious. And let's go. We are very serious with our flipping of the takoyaki. No picture, sorry. I'm busy. Kawaiso. One-chan. Oi, help. One-chan, help. This is very important part of my life to take a video of the takoyaki.
What's next?
Hello. Coco-chan, very jozu. Yes. I think it's already... Coco-chan, hayaku! Am I very good? Coco-chan, Coco-chan, onegai shitai desu. Coco-chan, kore. Motete, ii? Arigato. Hi! I am flipping my face, please. My face, please. And this one, please. Oh, Coco-chan is very good. Thank you. Oh, I'm very busy. Don't disturb me. Omoshiroi, omoshiroi.
Omoshiroi.
Okay. Thank you, Kokone. Oops. Let's go back to the flipping.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So when you return home, you can shop. You can have a shop, takoyaki shop.
Ah, yes. How about the... How do you say? Okasan, a while ago, we made the... How do you say that one? It's instant. Can we make our own? Like, jibun de...
できるよ。
Ah.
でも芋かないかな。A special kind of very very sticky potato.
Ah, potato.
Sticky
Imo,
Imo?
はい、
Yeah.
ある。
Do we have?
を吸って、そうingredients and very good flour. Flour と混ぜると mixed and very good taste.
Gotta be.
Quality is
Ay,
very good.
ay, gotta be the any?
There's like imo.
Imo,
Imo.
imo and potato.
Gotta be.
Gotta be. Yes.
Gotta be. And that instant flour and the
Combination.
yeah.
Ah. How about the business? What do they do, Okasan?
Takoyaki
Instant?
shop.
Oh, instant? Instant flour? Ah, okay. Hi. I have idea already. I will have my takoyaki shop, and then you visit Okasan, okay?
So, yo. Then you return to Cebu.
Mm-hmm.
Japanese, traditional Japanese takoyaki shop.
Yes.
Because there are so many visitors, Japanese visitors.
Ay.
Takoyaki in Cebu, very good. The taste is very same in Japan.
おー、もうあるから、
そうある
うんん。
ほらダメだ。それをセブテイストに変えればいい。
うん。
あ、冷めちゃうよ、早く食べ
寒いちゃう。はい、Let's eat!
And try my